much time do you need to move the barrel?
You'll get enough to one try.
So you only get to do it like twice?
You only do it once.
Kids.
So make it count.
Make it quick.
I'm going to try to be as fast as I can like last time.
Have you been practicing?
Hey, I came in second for my first time.
All right. That's
And
good.
it's pretty good for not first.
That's pretty tough, huh?